For the past week, I've had exclusive access to the newest and most advanced version of Sora, OpenAI's revolutionary video generation tool. Now, picture this: creating professional quality videos without cameras, actors, or even a studio. Imagine turning your wildest ideas into vivid videos using just a few lines of text. And the best part? While you're traveling, relaxing, or even sleeping, AI is busy doing all the hard work for you. Stop stressing over content creation and start focusing on your creativity. Today, I'm going to show you how Sora works and how you can use it to create incredible videos with ease. Step 1 is super simple. Head over to Sora.com. After logging in, you'll land on the homepage where the magic begins. Welcome to the Video Composer. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Composer interface. This is your creative canvas. Here, you can input text to describe your scene. Think of it as painting with words. For example, let's say I want to create a video for my cartoon YouTube channel. I'll type, "A family of grizzly bears sitting at a table, dining on salmon sashimi with chopsticks." That's it. Just a single line of text. Before hitting Create, you can tweak a few settings to customize your video. Adjust the aspect ratio, resolution, and even the video duration. Want more options? Simply increase the number of variations for the same prompt. Once you're happy with your settings, click Create, and your video is ready. And take a look at this video, created in just one click. Without AI, crafting something like this would take hours of painstaking editing. Over the past few days, I've been exploring every angle and testing Sora's potential. I've tried generating photorealistic scenes, cartoons, objects, people, text, and actions. Essentially everything I could think of. Some examples of video clips are visible on the screen. See how easy that was? With just a prompt, you can create videos and even run your YouTube channel with minimal effort. If you're new to Sora, don't worry. The platform has an excellent video tutorial section in your user account. These step-by-step guides explain every feature, making it easy for beginners to get started. Of course, like any new technology, Sora isn't perfect. It has its glitches. But this is just the beginning. Think of how much ChatGPT has improved over time. Similarly, Sora will continue to evolve into an even more powerful and refined tool. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Sora is paid AI tool, and Sora keeps it transparent with a help icon that shows exactly how many credits your video will use based on the settings you choose. And if you're a ChatGPT Plus user, you'll be thrilled to know you get 1,000 credits to start creating right away. So what do you think? Is Sora worth it or just hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Whether you're a content creator, a filmmaker, or just someone curious about the future of AI, Sora unlocks endless possibilities. As the technology matures, we'll see even more seamless integrations, better outputs, and groundbreaking use cases. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech innovations. Until next time, stay curious and happy creating.